In this tutorial, we define research and then discuss how you benefit from learning to do it well and why it should be valued. Quote, "Research is in fact the world's biggest industry." End of quote. Those who cannot do research well or evaluate that of others will find themselves sidelined in a world increasingly dependent on sound ideas presented clearly and accurately. In the broadest sense, we do research whenever we gather information to answer a question that solves a problem. We do this every day, and although we never write up our research, we do depend on those who have. Research should be viewed as an opportunity to join in the longest-running conversation conducted for millennia among philosophers, engineers, biologists, those in the arts, and so on. As a beginner, you may feel that the conversation is one-sided and that you must listen far more than you speak, but at some point, you will join a conversation that, at its best, can help rescue you from faulty conclusions based on bad reasoning. If you accept the invitation to join this millennia-long conversation that is research, you'll have to find a good question, search for sound data, formulate and support a good answer, and then write it up. Why do we bother writing the results of our research? One good answer is that we write not just to share our work, but also to improve our understanding before we do. There are other good reasons to write up our research results. We write to remember more accurately, understand better, and evaluate what we think more objectively. It also is important to learn to write in ways your readers expect, because when you write for others, you demand more of yourself than when you write for yourself alone. You will understand your work better when you try to anticipate your readers' inevitable and critical questions. When you accomplish this, you create what is called a, quote, "rhetorical community of shared values," end of quote. When you join such a community, you must demonstrate that you understand its practices by presenting your research in the standard forms or genres that the community uses to represent what it knows and how it knows. Finally, writing your research is thinking with and for your readers. This gives you the opportunity to get your ideas outside your own head and see it as others see it so that you can properly evaluate the effectiveness of the communication of your ideas to others.